Yo, what's going on, guys? First and foremost, I do apologize if the audio doesn't sound as crisp as it usually does. I broke the wire for this the speaker here, and it is just here to look pretty today. But today, I made a poll on Instagram, and I asked you guys, "Hey, what do you guys want to know about?" Two options. Do you want to hear about the time that I got arrested, went to jail, and escaped that exact same jail in Thailand, or would you rather hear about how I make money online? And right now it's a 60-40% split with 60% in the lead of how I make money online. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. And I feel like this is such a topic that more people really want to know more about and to see obviously how this could become possible for, someone like yourself on the other side of the fence who's not already working online. Ever since COVID, I really do think that people are starting to truly wake up and realize that, there are other options and you don't necessarily need to be working in a 9 to 5 anymore, right? But how? And all these questions come up, right? That's for another video. But based on what you guys want to talk about or hear about today, I'm going to talk about that. So I have a couple businesses. One of the main businesses is real estate marketing. If you followed my journey on my Instagram account, you've probably seen me, do sales calls, clips, things like that. That's a boring business, and I'm honestly trying to pivot out of it, but it makes me the bulk of the money that I make right now. Excuse me. But I want to tell you guys about the current business that I've been putting a lot of time and effort into, and it's been a little over a year. And I'm going to lead this with a story because in order to talk about how I make money online, you guys really need to understand the importance of it first. So I moved to Colombia and I've been living here over a year now. It's almost a year and a half now. When I first came down here, guys, I want you to know this. I didn't know a single person, let alone I didn't speak a lick of Spanish. Ahora yo puedo hablar español, baby. I'm a professional. Not really, but I am working on it and I'm getting better. And my girlfriend helps me out a fuck ton. So that being said, I came down here. I didn't know anybody, right? I met this one guy, Derek, while he was on his travels down here. To keep it a long story short, we connected. We exchanged Instagrams. He was on his way back to his city. He flew back. We never really spoke. We just kept in contact over Instagram. And this is the power, and I actually want to tap into this real quick, but this is the power of having your Instagram optimized, your social proof on point. Because if I meet somebody or you meet somebody and you hand them your Instagram because you're not asking people for the phone numbers anymore. It's the day and age where it's, yeah, what's your IG? Yeah, for sure. Okay, cool. Connect. Boom. If your social media isn't optimized, like people aren't gonna want to fuck with you. Like that's just the truth of it. Like real shit. Like people won't want to fuck with you. Like they get to see, like there's a lens that they get to see into your life, right? What you do, how you are, what do you do for work, all these things, right? So that back to the story with me and Derek, had I have not had my Instagram optimized or whatever the case might have been, I might have missed that opportunity or many other opportunities for that matter. So we basically stayed in touch, and because my shit was on point, Derek hit me up and he said, "Yo, dude, I have an opportunity. I'm just about to relaunch my business. I think this could be cool, and we should hop on a call and see if this could be something that we could work out together, or maybe something that there could be something here." And so, of course, me being me, I said, "Yeah, fuck yeah, let's do it. Let's hop on a call, chop it up." Long story short, a year and a half later, like now, I'm making fucking money with Derek, and our whole business is super simple, and this is where I'll get into this so you guys can actually see exactly what I do to make money online. But Derek and I have an Instagram growth service company. I know it's a biased opinion, but one of the best on the fucking in the market, like 100%. Real growth, real people, real shit. So our whole service is super straightforward. We literally use social media to be social. What does that even mean, Paulie? We have a SaaS software. It's an Instagram AI growth tool that likes and views other users' Instagram stories at scale, right? So this is how we drive anywhere from 6 to 10,000 targeted profile visits to our clients' IG pages every month. Enough of me talking about this. I'll do a quick screen share here with you just to show you. This is one of my other accounts, but let me pull up my actual main account that you guys know me from right here, Peaky Boy. So this is the back end. This is what our clients get access to. By the way, soft plug, 5-day free trial. Don't ask for a credit card. You can tap into this and see how this works for your account as well. Basically, like I said, we like and view other users' Instagram stories at scale. So these are the targets here. So these accounts that we're looking at, these aren't random people. These are the people who you want to gain the attention of, your ideal, competitor, people within the same niche, that kind of thing. So anytime someone here posts an Instagram story, if your account is connected to the software, it's going to take actions on behalf of your account, and it's going to like and it's going to view those people's Instagrams at scale, right? This works like fucking magic. So this is exactly the service, right? To mimic human behavior, right? We pause this sporadically throughout the day. This is no different than if you were to, hire a virtual assistant to go like and engage and view other people's Instagram stories to actually use Instagram to be social, right? Where the magic really happens with this software is in the stats tab. So we can see on a daily basis at the bottom here what the hell is actually going on. New followers, new likes. If you look at the bottom here, right? On this day, I got 12 new followers and 37 new likes. On this day, it was 549, 7, whatever, 625. Some days it's less, some days it's more. And as of recently, Instagram kind of rolled out a spam feature. So before this, I was getting like 40 followers a day, real people. So just to show you exactly like what I'm talking about, this is the service that I'm currently taking to the moon. And it's awesome because we have some crazy white label and affiliate opportunities where, I'm talking to guys, and I have guys that I've reached out and messaged. They didn't trust me, obviously, because it's a cold DM. Cold DM meaning don't know this person at all. Why is this guy messaging me? And then asking me, hey, do you want to hop on a 5-day free trial for XYZ? So super sketch, right? Sketch. This one guy, and if you're watching this, bro, fucking thanks for putting your trust into me because now you're making money as well, bro. This is how it goes. Like, people are super skeptical, but, take the chance sometimes, right? You never know who's going to slide in your DM and what is actually real and what isn't. But this is how I make money online. I have an Instagram AI software, and the results are absolutely mental. So if you are trying to, grow your Instagram, or somebody, or you're trying to make money online, I'm about to roll out a mentorship to show people exactly how I do this and exactly how they can do this. The same way I have that one guy that's making literally like 5K a month. Like the easiest fucking money, SaaS. It's like a Netflix subscription. Once you tap into Netflix, it just keeps running month after month after month. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to know a little bit more about like how everything works, like I'd be down to book a call if it makes sense, to actually see if, you can potentially make money online as well, like the same way I'm doing it. So hopefully that kind of wraps and sums everything up. But again, if you guys have any questions or anything, just hit me up. I'm always happy to talk. Peace.